Hello, today we will guide you through how to add team members in Square. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in your Square dashboard and how to enter the details needed to add a new person to your team with confidence. Start by opening your Square dashboard and signing in with an account that has permission to manage staff. From the home screen, look at the left-hand navigation and find the Staff section. Click it to expand your staffing tools. Within Staff, choose Team and then select Team Members. This takes you to the area where all current team profiles live and where you can create new ones. On the Team Members page, click Add Team Member. This opens a simple form. You'll be guided through a few fields that help Square identify the person and send them the right information. Enter the preferred name. This is the name your team member likes to be called and may appear on schedules, time cards, or certain internal views, so it's best to use what they use day to day. Next, enter the last name. Keep names consistent with your records to make searching and reporting easier. Add the phone number. Make sure it's accurate and formatted correctly for the country you operate in. This may be used for communications, so double check for any typos. Then enter the email address. This is especially important because Square can use it to send invitations or instructions for setting up their account access. Confirm the spelling before moving on, since a small error can delay onboarding. If your organization uses internal IDs, you can enter a team member ID. This field is optional, but it's helpful for payroll, time tracking, or matching records across different systems. When the basic information looks good, click Next. Follow the on-screen procedure until it's done. The remaining prompts may summarize what you've entered and guide you through any additional choices relevant to your setup. Read each screen carefully, confirm the details, and continue until you reach the confirmation. Once finished, you'll return to the team members list. Your new team member should appear there. If you don't see the update right away, try refreshing the page or checking any filters. The person you added may receive an email or text with instructions to complete their setup, so give them a heads up to look for it. That's it. You've added a team member in Square, keeping your roster accurate and ready for scheduling, time tracking, and permissions management.